Alright guys, we back in the shop with another one. I know it's been a minute, but we back. This time, we gonna hook up this nice little under the bed, little storage drawer things, you know what I mean? Let's get to it. Alright, so what we got right here is a sheet of plywood cut in half by your local Home Depot. What I need to do is cut it into more manageable pieces. So what I'll do is cut it close to the size with my circular saw, close to the size that I need, and then after that we'll break it down to the final length and width and measurement that we need on the table saw. All right, let's get it. All right, so what we doing here, what I got is a little scrap piece of plywood right here on this side, and then the other piece of plywood on this side. So you got, see that where that line is right there? You got that little gap right there. So when I cut, I don't hit the ground. And then your blade, you want to make sure, see how high that is? It's deep enough to go through the wood, but not hit the ground. And then you got to make sure that this scrap wood is close enough so that it doesn't bow in. Well, it won't, because this part is close enough. So it shouldn't bow in, or whatever it's called, when you cut through. Because then you might have kickback, or you might hit the ground. You feel me? All right, so now what I'm gonna do is run some of these in both of the bottoms of the drawers. What these are called rabbets. I mean, some people call them dados, but dados are mostly in the middle of the wood. Rabbets are at the end. See how that piece sits flush? And it sits in there, so that's gonna give it more rigidity and make it more stable when I build it. All right, here we go. Check me out. So we got the pocket holes drilled. Everything is ready to be assembled. I'm gonna just throw this together, and then I think I'll finish the rest up tomorrow. All right.